extracted! God, I love that tool so much. Hey everyone, and welcome to 3 Different Ways. This is, well, I mean, what it sounds like. I'm gonna be looking at my favorite Reddit subs and see what kind of hacks people are trying, questions they're asking, and things that I can give my 2 cents on in 3 different ways.
He said it! He said it!
Why? Because I literally wrote the book on life hacks. And I've tried a whole lot of things, a whole lot of ways. Sometimes they really worked.
The back of the hammer can hold the nail for the first swing.
And sometimes they super did.
If the juice box straw is upside down, you get more juice. I lost the straw.
Today, for 3 different ways, I am diving into the r/lifehack sub, my pride and joy. Oh my God! A stone cold classic, removing a stripped screw. We've all been there when you're like, what is this screw for? A screw for ants?
A center for ants!
Zoolander holds up, guys. Zoolander holds up. Way number 1, tape. And somewhere deep in my memory, I am recalling.
Little strip of duct tape, tiny little screwdriver, twist.
Okay, yeah, I've done this before. But you know, I genuinely don't remember what happened. I mean, the only way to find out is to roll the clip.
Oh my God, Kelsey, it totally worked. Wait, did it? No, it didn't.
Oh, right. I think I kind of hated this one. I really did. But you know, life is long and full of surprises. Let's give it another shot. I stripped the screw real good. Here's the tape, putting it on. Let's try this. Let's try. All right, ready? All right, bringing it out. Ah! See, the tape just spins around. Hang on. Okay, hey, look at that. It worked. All right, well, I don't actually know if I would recommend this because honestly, given what we just saw in the video that I did previously, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and if it doesn't work, it makes it feel real bad. This time it worked. I feel pretty good about that. So, okay, let's try something else. In the comments, someone always suggests using rubber band, and I'm telling you, always. And thus, I have definitely tried this one before. The result lives somewhere in my brain.
Rubber band with impact driver.
No. So that didn't go great either, but we're gonna give it another shot because older and wiser now or something. And also don't give up, okay? There's a bunch of people in the comments trying to say if it doesn't work the first time, try again, which I did not do the first time. So older and wiser. Let's go. I know Mario's a plumber, but like plumbers use screws, right? He's a screw expert, but it felt right.
Let's go!
One thing they don't tell you about this is that the thickness of the rubber band matters here. So I got 2 thicknesses of screws. Which thickness do you think I should use? Let's pretend like this is a kid's show. Which rubber band do you think I should use? Yeah, the thicker one. Great job.
Good job!
The point of the thicker rubber band is that you want it to cover the entire screw, right? Because the most bite you're gonna get is with a thicker screw. So, we're in reverse. I'm gonna put it over, put it up, and... Oh, okay. Pull it out, that worked. Back then, it did not work. Now, it does work. And it can work for more people, and I'm one of them. Hey! Way number 3, a stripped screw drill bit. I've been holding out on you. The reason why I couldn't remember those other 2 ways is because I haven't even come close to trying them since I figured out this. God, it feels like it was just yesterday that I discovered this.
These are screw extractors. Let's see what happens when you use them on a strip screw you've been working on for over a week. Oh! Screw extractor! Fuck you.
I think I might have peaked that day. Granted, finding a product specifically designed for this is sort of the opposite of a life hack, but isn't it also kind of the ultimate life hack? Because you've now seen me sort of struggle and attempt 2 other ways. And now, this! This is gonna be so satisfying for us all. All right. Like, let's do this. I can't wait. I cannot wait to show you this. All right. The thing that everyone is gonna say if you show them this is, what? You're destroying the screw. But what about the screw? It's already stripped, fam. Come on, chat. The other thing you gotta think about is you gotta get one of the little ones that fits into the strip screw that you need to get out. You know what I'm saying, ready? And then flip it around. Now you put it in. Oh! Extractor! Ow. Extracted! God, I love that tool so much. The best feeling, the literal best feeling. It's like the births of my 2 children or my wedding day and figuring out this existed. That is not an exaggeration, okay? I'm not exaggerating. The script says exaggerating, I'm not. Trust me, it just feels so good. Let me know in the comments if there's any other life hacky things you want me to try 3 different ways, because I'm here for you. Maybe we'll have another perfect, amazing moment like the one we just had. YouTube, I love you. See you in the next one.